We've mentioned a few times on this channel why video is so important for small businesses. As a quick refresher, here are a couple reasons. 84% of people say they've been convinced to buy a product or service by watching a brand's video. And marketers who use video grow revenue 49% faster than non-video users. So today I'm going to show you how you can start making social media videos in 5 simple steps. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Super quick, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that we put out every week to help you grow your business. All right, so we're jumping straight in with step number 1, which is to determine the purpose and placement of your video. If you're planning to make a quick, fun TikTok, the process for that is going to look a lot different than if you're wanting to film a YouTube tutorial. What we do here at LYFE to work smarter, not harder, is invest in the time and effort it takes to film these YouTube videos, and then we make micro content out of them to fuel all of our social media videos. But if you're just starting out and don't have the time or means yet to make full-on YouTube videos, making quick 30-second reels or TikToks can be an easy way to get your foot in the door and tap into some of the profitable video statistics I mentioned at the start of this video. And if you don't know how to create those types of short videos, I give a super clear and in-depth tutorial in this video and give you some content ideas to help you get started. So I will link that in the description. Once you've got a plan on what type of video you're going to make, step 2 is to format the video accordingly. If you're filming the video for a TikTok or a reel directly from your smartphone, you won't have to give this step much thought because you'll already be filming in the correct vertical dimensions. But if you do what we do and take a YouTube video and break it up into smaller social media videos, you'll need to make sure the video is formatted correctly on each platform. So let's look at some of the most common social media video sizes really quickly. The square size video is 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels, and that works across most social media feeds like an Instagram feed post, a LinkedIn feed post, Facebook feed post, and so on. The vertical dimensions we're used to seeing for both stories and reels and TikToks are 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. That works across Instagram stories, LinkedIn stories, Facebook stories, as well as for Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and so on. Now, you can also do widescreen videos like what we see here on YouTube, which are 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels, but I don't usually recommend these dimensions across any other social media platforms. The square and vertical sizes take up more of the feed when a user is scrolling and generally garner more attention and engagement as a result. So how do you reformat a video as needed? We typically use a software called Veed for all of our videos, and we'll get into some additional reasons as to why I like Veed here in a minute. But Jelly also has a tutorial on how to resize a video in Canva if you're more familiar with Canva and want to check that out next. All right, so then step 3 is to nail down your video topic and film. Now, I have several resources for you here that will help you out. If you're wanting to film a YouTube video, you'll need to create your video around a specific keyword that you know your audience searches for on YouTube. You don't want to just pick a video topic that you like. It needs to be a topic that you know your audience wants to see. So I show you the tool that we use to check YouTube keyword volume in this video. From there, if you check out Sean's video and click to the 1241 mark, you can see the exact setup we all use on this channel to film our YouTube videos. If you're wanting to film a reel or TikTok, again, check out this video because I share ideas small businesses can use to hop on trends and make them relatable to their individual business. And those ideas are applicable to both Instagram and TikTok. And if you have a smartphone, you can start filming reels and TikToks today. So once you've picked out a video topic based on research and you're ready to film, step 4 is to tighten up your script and make the intro attention grabbing. Now, depending on the length of your video, you may not have a full-blown script, but you should at least have key talking points of what you want to get across in your video. And no matter what, your intro needs to be attention grabbing. I've said this before on our channel, but people's attention spans are not growing, they are shrinking. You have seconds or less to make someone want to stop and watch your video. Now, if you're filming a YouTube video, doing that keyword research we talked about will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you here because somebody will have typed in that video topic into the YouTube search bar. So you already know that they're at least somewhat interested in that specific topic to watch your video. But for other social media videos, your intro needs to hook them enough to make them stop scrolling. If you want more tips on how to make videos that do that, you can check out my video here on how to stop the scroll. Now, I have one more step that will help you wrap up your social media videos in a nice bow, but first, here is a quick message from Morgan on our new monthly coaching program.
Hello! We just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. After managing millions of dollars of ad spend for thousands of small businesses and creating thousands of social posts to help businesses connect with their customers, we know how to get results. And we want to help small businesses get results too. So we've decided to give away our knowledge, learning experiences, resources, tools, and feedback to help you achieve results for your digital marketing efforts. If you want to learn the blueprint for success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, get access to all the tools you'll need, and get live expert guidance from yours truly, stop what you're doing and sign up for our coaching program today.
Okay, step 5 is to make your video make sense with the sound off. 92% of consumers watch video with the sound off, and 50% rely on captions, making it imperative that you create videos that are optimized for silent viewing. Now, I'm not saying to make silent videos. Your videos should still include sound, but your audience should be able to get value out of them even if they have you on mute. So as the stat I just shared implied, you should have captions on your videos so that people can read what you're saying if they're not listening to what you're saying. We do this for our videos with that software Veed that I mentioned earlier. And this is not a sponsored plug of their website or anything. We just genuinely use them all the time because they make it super simple to resize videos and add captions. But of course, there are so many programs out there that can do this for you. And if you watch my tutorial on how to upload a Facebook video, then you know Facebook in particular has a captions tool built into it that captions your videos for free. A couple of other things you can do to make your video make sense without sound is to add visuals or enough verbal cues to get your point across if you're not adding captions for every word. So that's my 5-step method to making social media videos for small businesses. What questions do you have? Leave any you have for me in the comments and I will get back to you there. Otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go to watch the other videos I've mentioned today. And I will see you in the next video.